Ever feel like your project tasks are a tangled mess of what comes first and what can't start until this is done? You're not alone. In the dynamic world of project management, understanding and managing the relationships between tasks is crucial for staying on schedule and achieving your goals. This is where the concept of dependencies comes into play, and Wrike, a powerful project management platform, offers robust features to help you master them. Think of dependencies as the backbone of your project plan. They define the order in which tasks need to be completed, ensuring a logical flow of work and preventing bottlenecks. Without clearly defined dependencies, your project can easily derail, leading to delays, wasted effort, and frustrated team members. So, what exactly are dependencies in Wrike, and how can you leverage them to streamline your projects? Let's dive in and unravel this essential aspect of project management. The fundamental concept: tasks relying on each other. At its core, a dependency signifies a relationship between two tasks where the start or finish of one task is contingent on the start or finish of another. In simpler terms, one task depends on the completion or commencement of another. Recognizing these connections is vital for creating a realistic and achievable project timeline. Imagine building a house. You can't start painting the walls before the drywall is installed, and you certainly can't put on the roof before the frame is erected. These are real-world examples of dependencies. One task logically precedes another. In project management, we formalize these relationships to ensure a smooth and efficient workflow. Why are dependencies important in Wrike? Wrike's dependency features offer a multitude of benefits for project managers and teams. Realistic scheduling. By defining dependencies, you create a more accurate project timeline. Wrike automatically adjusts the start and due dates of dependent tasks when changes are made to their predecessor tasks, preventing a domino effect of missed deadlines. Clear task order. Dependencies provide a clear visual representation of the sequence of work. This helps team members understand when they can start their assigned tasks and how their work fits into the overall project plan. Improved collaboration. When dependencies are clearly defined, team members are better informed about how their individual contributions impact others. This fosters better coordination and reduces the chances of one team member being blocked by another. Resource optimization. Understanding task dependencies helps in allocating resources effectively. You can ensure that resources are available when needed and avoid having team members waiting idly for a preceding task to be completed. Risk mitigation. By identifying critical path dependencies, the sequence of tasks that directly impacts the project's completion date, you can proactively monitor and manage potential delays that could affect the entire project. Enhanced project visibility. Wrike's visual tools, like the Gantt chart, clearly display task dependencies, providing stakeholders with a comprehensive overview of the project's progress and potential roadblocks. Types of dependencies in Wrike. Wrike recognizes four primary types of dependencies, each representing a different kind of relationship between tasks. Finish to start FS. This is the most common type of dependency. Task B cannot start until task A is finished. Think of writing a report, task A, before submitting it for review, task B. Start to start SS. Task B cannot start until task A has started. Both tasks can potentially run concurrently, but task B's commencement is contingent on task A's initiation. For example, designing the user interface, task A, and developing the back-end logic, task B, might start simultaneously. Finish to finish FF. Task B cannot finish until task A is finished. Both tasks must conclude together. An example could be finalizing the marketing materials, task A, and updating the website with those materials, task B. Both need to be completed before the campaign launch. Start to finish SF. Task B cannot finish until task A has started. This type of dependency is less common but can be useful in specific scenarios. For instance, a project handover, task B, cannot be completed until the initial phase of the project, task A, has begun.